Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be replacing the clutch pedal spring off of your Toyota GR86. First thing first, tools you'll need is a flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, and a hammer. I've already done mine, but I'll walk you through the steps. Here we go. First thing first, you want to remove the C-clip by angling your flathead screwdriver into one of these grooves of the C-clip. Push it out with force, not too much, just lightly, and it'll pop right off. After that, you want to use your hammer and you want to hammer this push pin. Once you get enough space on the other side, use your needle nose pliers, just like so, and then pull it out. From there, you'll be able to replace the spring, and installation is the reverse. After that, put your push pin back in, attach your C-clip back in, give your clutch pedal a few pumps, and hopefully you enjoy the new feeling of the clutch. If you like what you see, please click that subscribe button, and until next time, see ya.